that is absolutely 100%. There's not a judge in the country that wouldn't have given us a total victory, but there's not a judge in the country that would have even taken this case. This is a witch hunt, and it's a very corrupt trial.
Good afternoon.
My legal issues, every one of them, everyone, civil and the criminal ones, are all set up by Joe Biden, crooked Joe Biden. This is something that's never happened in this country. Even when you look at this is all about Biden and her meeting.
This case is about the facts and the law. And Mr. Donald Trump violated the law. And as you know, the judges already found that he in fact violated the law for repeated fraud over a period of years. And so I want everyone to know that the personal attacks really don't bother me. The fact is that this trial has shown, and we have produced evidence about the scope, the scale, the depth, the breadth of the illegality, the fraud that impersonally enriched Donald Trump and his family. I want to thank the judge. I want to thank my team. I even want to thank opposing counsel. But at the end of the day, the point is simple. No matter how powerful you are, no matter how rich you are, that no one is above the law, and that the law applies to all of us equally and fairly. I trust that justice will be done, and I'm confident in that. And I'm extremely proud of the case that we put on. Good evening and thank you.
What's the scope of the damages you believe is going to come here?
No dictators in the USA! No dictators in the USA! Dictators in the USA! No 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 dictators in the USA! The bail is you don't have to.
I don't want to ruin it by shining. So this was totally unannounced. Nobody knew we were coming. I hope the press is going to cover it fairly, because nobody gets crowds like this. They want to see our country be great again. It's very simple.
Asked about 100 times to run for re-election. 8 terms
No, it's fantastic. I'm very confident. I mean, this is it. Look, we just stopped here. We stopped at a polling site. We picked it at random. We may stop at one more. And nobody knew we were coming. This is pretty amazing.
Mr. President, President says that she's staying in.
Thank you, President Trump.
What's the margin of victory today? What are you hoping for today? What's the win?
Mr. President, I'm a first-time voter. Can I get a picture with President Trump?
On her favor at all?
I think it hurts her, actually. I think it's going to hurt her. Probably have a big loss today, but who knows? But, you know, in the next state is Nevada, where I have 100%, because they all pulled out when they looked at the polling. So I have 100%, a lot of delegates, big state. And then I go to South Carolina, and I'm beating her by 60 points. So I just don't know. I mean, that's up to her. I would never ask anybody to pull out. I didn't ask Ron to pull out. I didn't ask Vivek to pull out. Nobody. But we have great support, and most of the people that pulled out have already supported me. So it's actually quite nice.
We're going to know in about 7:30.
What are you hoping for, Martin?
It's going to be big. We'll see you tonight, Mr. President. Thank you, Nice having you out.
I actually think it's a very fair question. I actually think the radical left is a tremendous threat to our country. And I think the Rhino Republicans are just stupid people. But the radical left is a major threat to our country. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.
A VP question. Would you consider DeSantis in your cabinet?
And I don't think Biden has any idea what he's doing to these.
Number one is
It says right here. Thank you, sir. New York's gonna vote for you, Trump.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President. We love you.
Don't waste your time out here. Get in and vote. Here, take a
New York's gonna vote for you, Trump.
All right, thank you, press. Thank you, press. Let's go. Thank you, press. Thank you.
President Trump!